Download Tarang online radio app from Google Play Store.
विज़न टीवी देख रहे हैं, इनका सबको दर्शकों को मैं यही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि आगे जो आने वाले हमारे कंपटीशन है मेरे लिए कि ये प्रेयर कीजिए, क्योंकि जो आगे वाले काफ़ी हार्ड कंपटीशन टफ है, तो सभी मेरे लिए कि ये प्रेयर कीजिए कि आगे वाले कंपटीशन है उसमें अच्छा करूँ मैं। विज़न टीवी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
डॉक्टर मीना, आज आप सिद्धि के द्वारा एक ब्लैंकेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन का आपने काम रखा है, विच इज़ अ नोबल कॉज एंड ऑल्सो इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट एप्ट फॉर व्हाट इज़ द वेदर वी आर रनिंग, द कोल्ड वेव दैट वी आर रनिंग इन दिल्ली. What inspired you and how you're planning to work, your team is planning to work today? I understand that you have put a lot of stuff in so many cars. I assume that you'll be traveling around the city and your team members will be working on that.
Siddhi is a spiritual NGO, and we have been doing many projects that cater to the upliftment of the society. The idea of doing a blanket distribution drive on New Year's Eve was conceptualized, of course, by Siddhi and also K9 Secure Solutions, where we decided that I think the best way to end a year and start another year should be with the people who need us more. And just to let you know that this is not just a blanket distribution drive. Siddhi has also been working on trying to relocate the street people on the Ren Baseras and the night shelters that have been provided by the government. So Siddhi volunteers, as you can see, K9 volunteers, they have been on the road trying to educate people, trying to encourage people to go and start living in these night shelters. In fact, we did a real-time data where we also got to know what are the problems they face when they stay in Ren Baseras, and why they don't want to stay in Ren Baseras also. So that's also some data that we have collected, and we hope that we can send it to the Delhi government and they can make the necessary amendments. So we'll be going around entire Delhi. We've collected around 2,500 blankets. They have been donated by all the people around, and K9 and Siddhi, of course. And we'll be going around Delhi, and we'll try and cover as many bastis and as many Ren Baseras as we can. And I think the drive is called Cover with Love. So I think this is the best way we thought to start the new year by being with the people who need us.
ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है, चैरिटी बिगिंस एट होम. आपका ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और K9 के साथ आपने टाई अप करके ये blanket distribution का आपने initiative लिया. You also talked about that you have done a lot of research into it about the Rain Basera, why people don't stay, why they stay outside. If you want to shed some light on that, please.
No, see, I mean, we read an appeal given by the Delhi government, and it clearly stated that there are about 206 rain baseras that the Delhi government has made, which is fantastic. Our team went around there, and they have provided clean drinking water and toilet facilities. But we got to know that because somewhere I realized that the people on the streets are very comfortable living on the streets. You know, they don't want to shift to the rain baseras. So our team did try and talk to them and encourage them that, you know, when the government has provided you space, why don't you go and live in the rain baseras? So their problems were like, you know, there are security issues, people drink and a lot of alcohol, and you know, then the domestic violence starts and all that. So they say we are okay on the street. Well, I think that this is a problem. We did the same last year also, where we realized that people don't want to shift to safe places, right? They're very happy being on the streets, and it gives us immense pain to see, you know, small children, you know, just on red lights, not even wearing clothes. So I think our drive is not just about blanket distribution, but it is also about creating awareness that we need to do something for this section of the society. So I think most of us volunteers, if you see K9 and Siddhi, both are very young, you know, people. They're entrepreneurs. In fact, the owner of K9 is a 24-year-old boy himself, Gaurav Kant, and you know, so we are all actually looking at the young generation is actually dedicating one part of their life to the society. How we can give back. I think this is the most interesting thing that I see in Siddhi. So this is what we could gather as this particular drive was concerned.
Would you like to introduce Gaurav Kant, and if we can talk to him also and get his perspective, because that will be very inspiring to the society at large, that charity begins at home, and it is not that when you are too old that you begin your charity. It can begin at any age.
I think alongside Gaurav Kant, you should speak to the volunteers of K9 and Siddhi, so that they'll give you their perspective on how much they enjoy doing all this, where today everybody is partying and you know, made their own respective bookings, but these young people have actually decided to be on the road till midnight. I think this is itself a big achievement for us. So I think we should have Gaurav and a couple of volunteers from Siddhi.
I understand what you are saying is it should be partying day, because it is 31st of December, and I assume that is what you are drawing the attention from, is that आज छुट्टी का दिन है, मस्ती करने का दिन है, लेकिन हम सेंसिटिव भी हों अपने समाज के लिए, वो भी उतना ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है.
जी बिल्कुल, यही एक मैसेज है कि पार्टी सब लोग करते हैं और इन्जॉय सब लोग करते हैं, लेकिन आई थिंक अगर कुछ लोग और स्पेशली हमारी यंग जनरेशन थोड़ा सा सेंसिटाइज हो जाए अपनी ड्यूटी को लेके, तो आई थिंक द होल टेक्सचर ऑफ द सोसाइटी कैन चेंज. सो दिस इज़ गौरव कांत, ही इज़ द ओनर ऑफ K9 सिक्योर सॉल्यूशंस.
गौरव जी, ये आपको इंस्पायर्ड कैसे हुए कि आज जैसे मैम कह रही थी वो सच भी है कि एवरीबडी शुड बी पार्टिंग टुनाइट, बट यू आर पार्टिंग विद द नीडी and you are partying with somebody who needs help and support at this point of time when Delhi is under cold wave, which was supposed to be 4 days, now it is almost more than a week and almost fortnight now.
See, as far as inspiration is concerned, in 3 words, Dr. Meena Mahajan. I've been following her for quite a few years. She's more like a mother to me, a spiritual coach. So the idea was, we were discussing a few days ago, I just got back from the UK after 3 months. After seeing the cold there, I realized that people here on the streets, they sleep, they're shivering. I mean, I used to face problems even while wearing jackets. So I think the best way for the youth today is to give back to society. That's how society grows. Running a security agency for so many years, security is all about manpower. It is the grade 4 of India that actually comes to become security professionals. That's how I built my career. That's how I built my name as an individual professional. So I thought the best way to celebrate New Year's would to be do it in a socially responsible manner. I mean, when you party, you go out on the streets, when you're driving back, you're going to see someone or the other sleeping on the street, someone begging even at 4 in the morning looking for some food. So I thought the best way to give back to society was that instead of you actually going out on the 31st and partying. You'd rather do something that's socially responsible. So when everyone from Siddhi and K9 comes together and we go out, there's a sense of satisfaction when we complete by midnight that we've not done that typical thing that the youth of India is doing.
बुनियादी रूप से कांग्रेस पार्टी का जो सिद्धांत रहा है, जो महात्मा गांधी जी का एक सिद्धांत रहा है कि कोई भी हम पॉलिसी बनाएं उसमें उसकी बुनियाद में, उसकी सोच में सबसे जो निचले तबके का आदमी हो, जो सबसे निचले पायदान पर आदमी हो, जो डिप्राइव्ड है, हमें उसको सोचकर पॉलिसीज़ बनानी चाहिए। मीना महाजन जी का ये इनिशिएटिव जो है ये हमेशा सामाजिक कार्यों से जुड़ी रहती हैं और एनवायरनमेंट से और नए नए सोसाइटी को सर्व करने के इनके आइडियाज़ होते हैं जो हमें बहुत मुझे लगता है कि ये सोसाइटी में एक ज़रूरत है कि एक संवेदनशीलता की, कि हम प्रत्येक व्यक्ति एक संवेदनशीलता के साथ ज़िंदगी बसर करे, क्योंकि हर जगह सरकार नहीं पहुंच सकती और बुनियादी रूप से इतनी जल्दी से हम सभी को बुनियादी ज़रूरतें नहीं दे सकते। तो ये सामूहिक प्रयास सभी का होना चाहिए, सभी नागरिकों का होना चाहिए।
विज़न टीवी देख रहे हैं, इनका सबको दर्शकों को मैं यही बोलना चाहता हूँ कि आगे जो आने वाले हमारे कंपटीशन है मेरे लिए कि ये प्रेयर कीजिए, क्योंकि जो आगे वाले काफ़ी हार्ड कंपटीशन टफ है, तो सभी मेरे लिए कि ये प्रेयर कीजिए कि आगे वाले कंपटीशन है उसमें अच्छा करूँ मैं। विज़न टीवी को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Download Tarang online radio app from Google Play Store.
विज़न टीवी जिन्ने भी लोग देख रहे ने इन्हां सारे दा मैं बहुत दिलों मतलब धन्नवाद करना चाहुंदा। मेरे लिए करो दुआ करो कि अगे जिहड़े आने वाले कंपटीशन है इस असीं काफ़ी करिए, वधिया करिए। अगे वर्ल्ड चैंपीयनशिप है, मैं उम्मीद करदा कि उहदे विच मैं बेस्ट ऑफ 6 विच आऊँगा, तो सभी मेरे लिए करना दुआ करना। थैंक यू विज़न टीवी।